Right, so today I'll be showing you how to change the watch face on your Apple Watch SE3. So from the watch face, just long press on that current watch face and then you can swipe, and you can see I don't have any other new watch faces. So I can tap on plus symbol and that's gonna open up the new watch faces application where I can scroll and look at watch faces from different categories and pick and choose from here. But an even better way of doing this is going to the Apple Watch app on your phone. So go to the Apple Watch app. You can see this is the one linked to this phone. And then you want to go to the bottom of that page and tap on Face Gallery. And this is where you'll see your Apple Watch Face Gallery. You can see exactly what you were seeing here. So in different categories. So you have this category of new watch faces. You have the health and fitness focused watch faces, photo watch faces, all these collections. If you go all the way down, you can tap on See All Watch Faces and you can see plenty of watch faces you can add to your watch. Now let's say I want to add this Nike digital watch face. So you simply tap on the watch face you want. If you want to, you can go ahead and customize the colors, or you can leave it as default. You can even customize the style a bit so you can have a slightly different style to the original. You can edit the complications. And once you like everything about that Apple Watch face, you can tap on add. Now it's gonna get added to your collection. So if you tap on my watch, you can see now on the home page of your watch, you have this watch face. You just tap on it and it gets added to your watch. So now that should be the watch face on my watch. Simple as that. Thanks for watching and good luck.